The Vivo VG has just been recently introduced as part of the premium mid-range. Let me tell you its main specifications below. This device shares exactly identical specifications with the Vivo S that was introduced in China, or both phones support 80-watt charging, but the Chinese variant includes the charger in the box, while the global variant does not. This follows the trend set by Apple, removing the charger from the box. Samsung was one of the first to follow suit, initially with high-end devices and later integrating the Galaxy A series into this trend, reducing the contents of the box, which was a significant and notable shift in their overall strategy. However, the curious thing is that Chinese manufacturers were not following this trend, but Vivo seems like it might change all of this. Additionally, the base variant of the global version does not include a case, but the edition with more storage does. It is definitely worth noting that the global variant also has a significant difference, as the battery has a capacity that is approximately 500 milliamps less than the Chinese variant. This phone features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 5K resolution, that is 2800 x 1200 pixels, and its peak brightness is extremely high, reaching 4500 nits. It is available in two colors, Stellar Silver and Nebula Purple. The dual camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera with an f-aperture, a 9 and optical stabilization, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera also with an f-aperture. The front camera is also approximately 50 megapixels with an f-aperture and autofocus, as Vivo is one of the manufacturers that places more importance on selfies. The Vivo VG incorporates the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 as its processor and comes with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage. It is available in two configurations, the base model with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and the more advanced version with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Its design is slim with a thickness of 7.55 mm, and it weighs 190 g. It integrates a fingerprint reader within the screen and has an IP water resistance rating, so it can be submerged without any problem. It also supports eSIM and has a USB 2.0 connector. According to the Tech Outlook, the base variant will be priced at €599 for Europe. On the screen, you see the reference price in other currencies. Remember, prices here differ from there. This announcement has been made in Europe, so we will have to wait to see if it will reach other markets as well.